Yes. You can reject x is equal to minus 3 in the beginning only. After writing x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3, you can reject x. Now since x is positive, x is equal to minus 3 is not possible. Then there is no need to find y. Okay. So you can reject x in the beginning. Are you understood this part? So you can reject x in the beginning. So remember, when x2 is less than 3, but 1 upon 2 will be greater than 1 by 3. So whenever you take reciprocal, inequality reverses. So x is less than y, but when you take reciprocal, 1 upon x will be greater than 1 upon y. So when you take the difference, you have to take the difference of bigger minus smaller. Now which problem? Which exercise we did? 15th one. 2-digit number. Yes. 15th one. 2-digit number. A 2-digit number is such that 10th digit exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Okay. So write, let the 2-digit number. Write on this. Let the 2-digit number has tens place x and unit place y. So what is the required 2-digit number? Yes, required 2-digit number is yes, what there will be? 10x plus y. 10 into tens place plus unit place y. Now what is given in the question? A 2-digit number is such that the tens digit exceed twice the unit digit by 2. Tens digit exceeds. What is tens digit? X. This exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Twice the unit digit by 2. 2y plus 2. So what you will get? X minus 2y is equal to 2. Equation number 1. Chalo, do it. Get equation number 2. Hmm? 1 minute. Wait. Wait. Let us see what is given. Tens digit exceed twice the unit digit by 2. Exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. What do you mean by this? Yes. Let me write first the question. Tens digit exceeds 10 digits exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Tens digit exceeds, same thing is there, no? Tens digit exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Twice the unit digit by 2. Yes, so this is correct. So what we have written earlier? Tens digit means x exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Yes, correct. So x minus 2y is equal to 2. Yes. Equation number 1. Now what is second one? Get the second equation. and the number obtained by interchanging the digit. Now interchange the number. So interchange the number. See here in the textbook, some of the solution they have taken unit digit as y. Okay, so do not get whatever unit digit you will take, that you have to consider. Now interchanging the digit, interchanging original number and reversing, reversed number, original number and reversed number. So original digit tens place is x, unit place is y. So that is 10x plus y. Now you interchange the digit, tens place will be y, unit place will be x. So you will get 10y plus x. 10y plus x. Now what is the condition given? After interchanging the digit, okay, the number obtained by interchanging the digit is, the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 10y plus x. Is means equal to, is equal to, interchanging the digit is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digit. 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digit. 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digit. 5 more than means 5 plus 3 times x plus y, yes, into x plus y. So simplify this, 10y plus x is equal to 5 plus 3x plus 3y. Take x on that side. Okay. So 10y minus 3y plus x minus 3x is equal to 5. So you will get minus x minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Is my equation number 2. Chalo solve 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. X minus 2y is 2. X minus 2y is 2. Equation number 1. Minus 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Now how will solve them? You can make x coefficient. You can. Yes, you can make x coefficient equal. One it is x, other is it is minus 2x. You can make x coefficient equal. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and add to equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So what we write? 2 into equation 1. 2 into equation 1 plus equation 2. 2 into equation 1 plus equation 2. So 2x minus 4y is equal to 4. Minus 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Add 0 plus 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 by 3. Y is equal to 3. When y is 3, yes, find the two digit number. Okay. Y is 3. Put y is equal to 3 in equation 1. Put y is equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1. X minus 2 into y, 3, is equal to 2. X minus 6 is equal to 2. X is equal to 8. Okay. So the required two digit number is 10x plus y. The required two digit number is, find the two digit number. Okay. The required the required two digit number is 10x plus y. See, so full freedom is given to all the students. Whether you want to take unit places x or tens places y. You can take any one, x or y. Okay. But suppose your friend have taken tens place as y, we have taken tens place as x, does not matter. Calculation will be same. So x is 8. So required two digit number. Required two digit number. Required two digit number is 10x plus y, because we have taken tens place as x. 10x plus y. So 10 into 8 plus y is 3, that is 80 plus 3, that is 83. Check the answer behind. What is that? Okay, 83. Because see, 2 years back when I was teaching in 9th C class, so that time physical examination was there. This sum I had given you. One question from reversing the digit I had given. Then two students were sitting one behind other. The first student, he has taken unit place as y, tens place as x. Then second student, he has taken tens place as y, unit place as x. Then when before completion of that paper, the second student saw the answer. Second student has seen the answer equation different. Instead of 10x plus y, it was 10y plus x. Second student has done it correctly, but he has cancelled his answer and he copied that answer. So that should not happen. Concept remains same. I can take A and B also. So yes, so you should never go for, you should be confident about your own answer. Do not depend on friend's answer. 16. 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging the digit. The difference between the digit is 4. Find the number. 16th I should give homework. 16th let me give homework. Use the microphone. The sum of the two-digit number and the number. But somebody has unmute, that is why. The sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit of the number is 121. If the digits of the number differ by 3, find the number. Yes. 16th, 17th, 16th, 17th. A two-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of the digit by 8. It is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digit by 14 and adding 2. What do you want? Yes, tell me. 16, 17, 18. Which one? You tell me out of 16, 17, 18. Which one I should solve? One I will solve. See here. 16, 17, 18. Let me solve 17. 17th is slightly different. 17th is slightly different. Okay, so let me solve 17. 16 and 18, you will get direct answer. 17th. So let me do 17. We have time. 17th. What is given? 17. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit of the number is 121. The number is 121. Okay. So do it. So write down 17. Let the two-digit original number. Let the two-digit original number has tens place x, tens place x and unit place y. Unit place y. All of you can hear me? Okay. Chalo. So required two digit number is 10x plus y. Number is 10x plus y. Okay. Now what is given in the question? The sum of a two digit number. The sum of a two digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit of the number is 121. Means this number, then reversed number. What will be reversed number? Tell me. What will be reversed? Reverse two digit number. Reverse two digit number will be 10y plus x. 10y plus x. We interchange unit place and 10 place. Now it is given sum of these two is 121. The sum of two digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit of the number is 121. Means this number plus this number, 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 121. This number, original number plus reverse number is 121. So 10x plus x, 11x plus 11y is equal to 121. You can divide throughout by 11. You will get x plus y is equal to 11. Is my equation number 1. Is my equation number 1. Okay. Then what is given? Yes, what is given? If the difference between the digit is 4, find the number. The difference between the digit is 4. The difference between the digit is 4. Find the number. Now see. Difference between digit is 4. So see here. There are two digits. Original number, no? See. There are two digits. 10x plus y. This is my number. This has unit place x. This has, unit place y, tens place x. You are not sure about which is bigger. Yes or no? My dear, difference is given 3. If the digit of the number differ by 3, you are not confident about whether x will be greater than y or y will be greater than x. So both the case you have to consider. X minus y is equal to 3 and y minus x is equal to also 3. So equation 1, this will be equation 2. This will be my equation 2 and you have to solve both the case. Okay. They differ by 3. It is not given which is. We are not aware which digit is bigger. Unit digit is bigger or tens digit is bigger. For example, 28. Unit digit is bigger. So we are not sure. So x minus y is 3. X plus y is 11. Equation number 1. X minus y is 3. Equation number 2. Solve this. Add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 will give you 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Then from equation 1, put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. What you will get? X is 7. 7 plus y is equal to 11. So you will get y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Okay. So required number is, required two digit number, required number is 10x plus y. So what is my x? 10 into 7 plus 4. So this is 74. Let us check the second part. Y minus x is 3. Equation 2. Equation 1 will be same. X plus y is 11. equation number 2. Then 2 is minus x plus y. Y minus x I can write minus x plus y is equal to 3. Add them. You will get 2y is equal to 14. So you will get y is equal to 7. Now put y is equal to 7. Put y is equal to 7 in equation 1. In equation 1, x plus 7 is equal to 11. So you will get x is equal to 4. So required two-digit number is 10x plus y. That is 10 into 4 plus 7. That is 47. So both the answer are possible. Just see what answer is given behind. Yes, both the answer are there. No, because see the difference. What is 7 minus 4? Their difference is 7. Huh? So what is that? Their difference is given 3. No. See here, if you take 4 minus 7, what is the answer? Yes, tell me. If you take 4 minus, same answer, 74 and 47. Okay. So 16th, there are two answers, 74 and 47. Then same way you will do 18th. So it is 9:41. We stop here. Now last period we will after this period we will start stats. That indices we will do at the end. So last period I will start stats. That is chapter number 19. Data handling. Then mean median mode. Yes. So 6th period I will start stats. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye.